Welcome back to Crypto Mindset. I'm going to look about CETUS today. What the F is happening with CETUS, ladies and gentlemen? This looks like a type of rug or what? Look, from a professional standpoint, I'm looking at CETUS. This is it. And I'm saying, what the F is happening? This is abnormal action. Look at this candle. It's a daily candle. It actually started beautiful. If we go actually to the shorter time frame, like the hourly, you can see initially it broke out of what was actually a nice base setup. Look at this. It actually broke out, made a couple of percentage, and kind of everybody was like, oh, this is going and slam dunk, right? This is a slam dunk. Can I put Elon Musk over here, but can I reverse it? Okay, yeah, here you go. It's reversed. It's a inverse Elon Musk move on the hourly. Now it's bouncing, of course, bounce pairs, people like buying it and everything. But look, for me, looking at this, I'm seeing just bad things. You want to know what a good breakout looks like? Look at CETUS here. Beautiful breakout. It moved beautiful from the breakout, just moved up, made 150%. Do you see anything bad here? Maybe not all of your charts. By the way, smash and cook the like button because we're giving you real alpha, no BS, trying to teach you a real skill set and knowledge, how to look at good things sometimes and how to look at the bad things like CETUS, what's happening on it right now. So cook it and smash it. Look, this is how good action looks like, okay? Even if you're not, a technical analyst or a chartist, price action, you can see that price moved up beautifully. Candles, in place. You do have up down candles. It's okay. For example, we had a breakout happening over here and then a failure. So things fails every now and then, but not what happened now. This is abnormal. And look at the volume, ladies and gentlemen. Look at today's volume. Abnormal volume on the OKX chart, probably abnormal volume everywhere on all charts. This is just not looking good for CETUS. If I was a CETUS investor, I would be getting the F away. Something happened on it. We don't know just yet. I didn't get any piece of news about it just yet, but something happened in CETUS, and we don't know just yet what happened. But it will arrive either a rug, which maybe a hack, which is I think is better, or something else that we don't know is happening because this is abnormal. This is abnormal. As I said, this is not a regular Elon, ladies and gentlemen. This is an inverse Elon, all right? Inverse Elon or something of the sort happening over here on CETUS. Okay, if this was me, I would be out of it. And I was actually, I did take a trade on this breakout initially. I was a happy camper, but again, I always have stop losses. My stop loss like was roughly 7% from the breakout, maybe 8% from the breakout. I got stopped out roughly here, and bam, it continued. This is not looking good. The probability of this to go back up in price is actually low. I think it's going to continue down. So this can be a short candidate. But the thing is, this can be really volatile. Okay, really volatile. So if you don't know what you're doing, just stay away from assets like this that show increased volatility. This is like a horse, like a bunking bronco that you just can't stay above it. It's volatile, it's rugging, it's hacking. Something is abnormal with the price of CETUS. Probably best to stay aware out of it for now. Maybe in the future, hey, maybe it's just, a mismatch. Maybe it's just something happening right now. We don't know. People are afraid because someone sold, right? Someone sold big time someone sold. Maybe in the future, a few weeks from now, it can build again. They will gain, they will gain favor again because anything the thing that happened today is going to be resolved and the chart will be back in line. But until then, I'm out. I'm not looking at CETUS at all for now until either it shows me a potential edge for the short side or that it recouped investor behavior and trading behavior and price action behavior getting back to normal. We understand what happened, and then maybe if it creates an edge to the long, maybe then. But for now, forget about it. If you want to get wrecked in crypto and in trading and investing, go on things like this that you see that are abnormal. Maybe you want to buy the dip because it was on 25 cents and went 15. Maybe you're those people, you're a degen gambler, right? I'm a professional. I want to make money. I want my life on my family's life and my lifestyle to be good and conducive, okay? Something that, I can go back to my wife and she'll be proud because I'm bringing money, not because I'm gambling my money away. If you want to get wrecked, this is the type of things you want to look at. If you want to be professional, this is not the type of things you want to look at whatsoever. What you want to look at, for example, this, ladies and gentlemen, is my WOP, my members section only for people that are really serious about making money and not about gambling away. People that want to book their profits and not just, give their profits back miraculously to the market after they made money. People that are actually serious about improving their lifestyle. This is a hype trade from a month ago, okay? I had many, many more trades since, okay? I have between 5 to 15 trades a month, depends if it's a slow market, a fast market and so on. I don't trade on a daily basis 3 or 4 charts, so you can relax. I'm not that type of trader, but 5 to 15 more, it's a nice average. And look at this. This is the trade. You can see April 17th. I'm going to show this to you again. April 17th here, April 17th on the timestamp, and this is a hype which already made 100% and counting. I'm going to show you the chart on hype just 1 second for you to see that I'm not full of balonies, okay? And we have multiple trades like this. So if you're serious about, making money in crypto in a professional way, right? Not a gambler way, you need to come to the membership. Now, why am I inviting you now? Because I believe this is the last stage of the bull market, okay? The last stage of the bull market, as you can see, I made a video about this. This was the entry, right? The entry was here. You can see that since then, and now it broke out, we're already 88% in the money, and we had multiple entries. This was the first entry, second entry, because I also have daily updates, third entry, fourth entry. I talk with my members about how they need to manage the positions, the position sizes, the risk management, all right, the professional things, right? Professional. I know you're not used to someone being a professional. You're used to YouTubers just being DJs, buying things because they think, oh my God, this is going to be good. No, professional traders, professional investing is something that you can do, and you don't need to put a lot of time into it because, A, I can bring the opportunities to you that will take away the majority of the work, and B, you can learn from what I'm doing because I showed you the trades I take and I give you opportunities that I believe are good, and I educate you because my thing is education. I teach you a skill set about the things the way I do it. So you can see it in the description or in the first comment. Join our membership, and you will see that you will make a difference in your life, not only because you're going to make money and keep it, but as well you're going to gain a skill set for life. 10 years from today, you're going to be happy because you are going to continue making money because you learned from Jomo how to make this not a profession. You can if you want to, but something that can always generate money because you know what you're doing. It's a skill set. All right, everyone. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers.